Hello everyone. In this edition you will see the 1977 American Ford Granada MK1. And now a little about the history of this car. In 1972, the European branch of Ford began production of the new model Granada. The same car was originally sold under the name Ford Consul. The car, which belonged to the business class by that time, was made at factories in Germany and the UK. Buyers were offered 2-door and 4-door sedans, station wagon and coupe. On the Granada they put V-shaped 4-cylinder engines of 1.7 or 2.0 liters, as well as V6 engines of 2.3, 2.5, 2.6 and 3.0 liters. Later in the range appeared version with a 2-liter row Quartet. All versions were equipped with a 4-speed manual gearbox. The second generation of the model, which debuted in 1977, received a more angular and straightforward body design. The car has increased in size and lost the option of a coupe. The equipment of the car was improved. The most expensive versions had air conditioning, a leather interior, power seats, and an electric sunroof. Subscribe to the channel, comment on the video and click on the bell. Until new videos, friends.